In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a contacts list to GoHighLevel. We'll walk through the process from inside your GoHighLevel account, step by step, so you can quickly bring in your existing leads and customers without losing any important information. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account and that you're in the correct sub-account or location where you want these contacts to live. From there, head over to your Launchpad. This is usually the first main screen you see after logging in, and it gives you quick access to all the major areas of the platform. Once you're on the Launchpad, look for the Contacts section and click on it. This will open up your Contacts area where you'll eventually be able to see and manage the people you're importing. If you already have contacts in the system, they'll appear here, but don't worry if it's empty right now. At the top of the Contacts page, you'll see an option to import. Go ahead and click on Import. This opens the bulk import workflow that GoHighLevel uses to bring in a list from a file, usually a CSV exported from another tool like a CRM, email platform, or spreadsheet. On the initial import screen, you'll see a Next button. Click Next to move into the file upload step. Here, you'll either click on the upload area or drag and drop your file directly into that space. Before you do that, it's a good idea to make sure your file is clean. Remove duplicate rows, make sure your headers are clear, and check that email and phone fields are in the correct format. Once your file is ready, select it or drop it in, and GoHighLevel will recognize it. After the file is uploaded, click Next to proceed. In this phase, GoHighLevel will guide you through mapping the columns in your file to the contact fields in the system. Take a moment to verify that names, emails, phone numbers, and any custom fields are lined up correctly. When everything looks accurate, click Next again to move on. You'll now see a confirmation step that includes a checkbox asking you to confirm that all contacts in your import have given consent to be contacted. This is important for compliance with email and SMS regulations, so only proceed if you truly have permission. Check that box to confirm. Finally, click on Start Bulk Import. GoHighLevel will begin processing your file in the background. Depending on the size of your list, this may take a little time. Once it's done, you'll be able to see your new contacts in the Contacts section